Hello friends, myself Chandra and welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. Today we discuss that how you can set a good trading setup. First you need to understand that trading strategy for your trade, that fundamental analysis you are doing or technical analysis or both. Second, you need to first choose the market, in which market you are going to trade, that equities, in commodities, in options, in futures, in cryptocurrency, in forex, in which market. Then you add that script in your watch list. Choose the trading time frame. What is your trading time frame? Time frame based on your trading style: scalping, day trading, swing trading, or long term trading. Then identify the market via trend line or moving average or whatever. Then trending market or sideways market, just see the images. Then you understand, first identify the market. Define your entry point. What is your entry point? Entry point, like in a picture, if you say that with the candlestick pattern we enter, set a entry. Define your exit points, risk reward, what you going to lose or what you want to make, your target and stop loss based on swing high low, support resistance or indicator or candle high low. Write down the trading rules, whatever you are going to trade based on particular strategy. Written trading plan is the best method to ensure discipline and consistency. Backtest your trading strategy based on different parameters, indicator, news. The most important thing, any strategy is not the holy grail, but it is informed that you are experienced according to your trading style. Hope you understand. Now we going to live trade to clarify how you can trade with your particular trading strategy. So in this strategy we are going to use gold with 15-minute time frame chart in supply demand and trendline strategy. So now gold is at 1915.14. So we just draw the our supply and demand zones. Then we go with a trend line, whatever trend line we are drawing. Then we check the trend analysis with the particular level, that whatever market structure, market is going down, then it retraced and it is got rejected from the supply zone. Also it is a formation of flag pattern. That's if the trend line is broken, so market is going to down by the next support area. Then you need to one confirmation, then when you going to trade. So now I switch back to 5-minute time frame. Then I just want to check that some rejections over there. If it is some rejections, so we enter in a trade based on our strategy. So there is a one green candle, after that red is making, so we just looking the candle that it is going to come down or going to up. So if it is going come down, so we go for a sell trade. And either you can set your stop loss above the supply zone, or you can take target the previous swing low. If you check that market is trend line is broken and got rejected, so we open one sell trade. And we also put the same time our stop loss and target, and it should be minimum 1:1 or 1:2. So we place our stop loss above the demand supply zone and target up to our previous swing low. So that is a SL 1916.900 and our target is 1914. So trade is running currently in a loss of 1.95 USD. So this type of trading, always you look, always test your strategy. Sometimes it is take time to give your profit results. So it's based your time frame, what are the time frame you selected. So it is mostly probably the chances is we get our profit or stop loss within a 1 hour. So this type you can set up your trades. I'm using supply demand and trendline strategy. You can, if you are using indicator, so you can same setup you do with the indicator as well. So that is market is coming down slowly. So just we wait for our target, it is reaching or stop loss is hitting, going to trade. So always you used to do all trades based on your specific trade plan. Before get into the trade, your exit rule is clear, your profit target rule is clear, or you can use SL trading method in that. And these strategies or whatever strategies you are using, that is always work in crypto market, in a forex market, in a stock market, either in a future market, either in a options, in a stocks, whatever, in a scalping method, or you can do as a swing trading. Whatever methods you are using, it is particular based on the behavior or person. So you always need to do your own strategies and backtest the strategies regularly. And also you check, implement by the like time parameters. Like I go with a trade example with 15-minute chart and 5 minutes, so you can go with the 30 minutes or something. So if you take the check that after 30 minutes the market is going drastically down and it is almost target is our done. So this is the overall strategy how you can set up your stop loss, your target. And if you check, the profit is almost $17 with a one trade within 30 minutes. So hope you understand the trade plan. So if you want much more, so you can connect on Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. You can download our app. At any time, money learn to earn. Thank you so much for watching. Good day.